curtain wall is great thing for designing our structures, but many people think that it's only for exterior wall, for example for skyscrapers, yeah. And if you will try to make something better, just look for the previous movies on my channel, and you will see that not only skyscrapers frontal elevation can be made of it. I have made something like that. Yes, and it's a curtain wall with door and with custom profiles. Okay, how do we start? How do we make it? I will get it outside, and here we have our interior. Let's say it's an interior. We take our curtain wall. It will be 3 meters tall, 300 centimeters tall. Now we have to make a shell. We make our elements like a shell, and here we have 30 centimeters. It's this dimension A. 70 centimeters, 30 centimeters, 95, 30, 70, and here we have 30. Yeah, and all the length is for this dimension. It's capable, or how do we spell it? And here's the height: 1, 2, 3. So if you are using Polish version, English version, or I don't know, French or Korean version, you've got the same thing every time. Okay, as a basic, we have basic panels that are white, and we've got second panel that is, for example, for here it's blue. And we've got profiles, and in here I have made all the profiles not 21, 11 centimeters, but 4, 4, and 6. Yes. Here you will have more than one profile. For example, this kind of profile, this kind, and you've got so many profiles that you can make almost every design you want. I wanted this one, yes, and as far as this one is 4, 6, 6, 2, 1. 4. We got 4, 6, 6, 6. 2, 1, yeah. We will have here a profile. Every profile you will choose here, you will see as a green one here. Second profile, outdoor profile, that is 4, 6, 4, 2. So we got all the profiles. Here we will have 4, not 6. Okay, we've got panels, and the basic panel here is made of blue glass. We can use any material, any shading, if you want, but here's building material, structural glass, and here we have blue glass. If I will turn it off, I will make something like that. Okay, here I have my wall. Draw it as every other. Here, looks, it's 3 meters high. Here we will have 2.5 meters high. So we have to move our height here. 20. Okay. And here we've got outside profile. Okay, we will now go to the shell and profiles, and here in parameters I will choose shading for every of this profile. For metal, black metal, and black metal. I can choose a paint or any other stuff. Okay, here we got panels. Here we got other things. Okay, now we will need this one. So profile, it's this one. Okay, let's make it black, black, and black, and it's all black. Okay, now here we have modify or edit, and we can choose any of our panels and any of our profiles used here. If you will delete any of these profiles, you will have only panel. So what we can do, we can choose this panel for its own, and here we can change it from basic panel, for example, the door. We've got door, these are opening. Here we got dimensions, 4. Here are dimensions of the door for its own. Oh, okay, something like that. And here we will have 4. Okay, well, we will go to the dimensions, and here we have materials. Here we will have shadings. Frame black, wing black, handle and red, accessories black, glass blue, glass clear. Okay, and here we have our door. If you will go for 3D only, this one, you will see that our construction, it's not perfect. It has some other things we can make, but this construction is really great. Here, something like here or here, we've got opening. Here we've got opening, something here. Yeah, and go open 45 degrees. And why didn't it do it? Szklane, wykonujemy. And here we have our dreams door and our dreams panel glass. Yeah, so we got here first one, and here we got second one. This one is made of blue glass and other kind of profiles, and this one is more simplified one.